Presenting a pre-owned 2017 Jeep Wrangler. This four-door SUV has a 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter V6 engine, with 4-wheel drive, and a 6-speed manual transmission. This Jeep has less than 94,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city, and 21 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, digital odometer, external temperature display, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, and window defogger.